Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take a comprehensive look at front-end development. If you're new to web development or just want to understand the essentials, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Front-end development is all about creating the parts of a website or web application that users interact with. It's the art of turning data into a graphical interface using technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Front-end development focuses on the user interface or UI and user experience or UX. It's what makes websites not only look good but also function smoothly. Let's break down the key technologies involved. First up, let's talk about HTML. HTML is the backbone of any web development process. It provides the structure of a website and defines its content. Think of it as the skeleton of a web page. Now let's see some HTML in action. So using HTML, we defined a button that should say click me. So let's open this code with live server. And as you can see, there is a button that says click me. However, it does not look very good and really has no use. Let's see how we can change this with the following tools. Next, we have CSS. While HTML gives structure, CSS makes things look aesthetically pleasing. It's used to control the presentation, formatting, and layout of your web pages. For example, to alter the font, color, size, and spacing of your content, we can use CSS. Now, let's add some CSS to our web page. And by doing this, I should insert some CSS code, and now let's update it. Our page looks so much better now. However, it still lacks one thing: functionality. Let's see how we can add some functionality to make our button actually do something. Finally, we have JavaScript. It's the programming language that adds interactivity to your website. With JavaScript, you can create dynamic content that responds to user actions. And the most significant part of JavaScript is the Document Object Model, or the DOM. The DOM is how browsers understand and manipulate web pages. It represents the structure of a web page and allows JavaScript to modify any elements of HTML code. With the DOM, you can create, remove, or even modify some elements of the web page using just JavaScript. Finally, to see how we can make our web page interactive, I have added some JavaScript code. What this JavaScript code should do is it should display a pop-up once the button is clicked. So let's test this out by clicking on the button. And as you can see, the pop-up has been displayed, meaning that our JavaScript code has added interactivity to our web page. This is how we can use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to make an interactive user interface. However, using the DOM in bigger projects can be very repetitive and tedious. That's why developers use JavaScript frameworks. JavaScript frameworks help developers have a more efficient time while creating user interfaces. They can also help developers handle data efficiently and interact with the underlying infrastructure. Some notable JavaScript frameworks used by developers all around the world are Angular, React.js, and Vue.js. So that's a comprehensive guide to front-end development. It's a vital part of web development that focuses on creating user-friendly and visually appealing interfaces. By using technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and leveraging frameworks and libraries, front-end developers build amazing web experiences. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.